The OnePlus 6T went on sale on November 6, 2018. Its price starts at $549, £499 for the 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage in the mirror black color. The same storage and color but with 8GB of RAM will cost you $579, £529. Midnight black versions of the phone have 8GB of RAM and cost £529, $579 or $629, £579 depending on whether you go for the 128GB or 256GB versions. In the US, T-Mobile is the exclusive carrier if you don't want to buy the phone outright. In the UK, it's a touch easier to buy the OnePlus 6T as it's available through O2, E and Vodafone, as well as from Amazon, Carphone Warehouse, and John Lewis. Currently the phone isn't available in Australia. It's worth noting also that there's a newer handset called the OnePlus 6T Mclaren Edition, which comes with 10GB of RAM, faster charging and a different color and pattern on the back. This all comes at a premium though, with the Mclaren Edition retailing for $699, £649. The body is glass on both the front and back of the device, and you've got the choice of two colors, mirror black or midnight black. That's right, you can have any color you like as long as it's black, as Henry Ford famously said, although in fairness to OnePlus the reflective choice does look quite different to the matte version. We would expect OnePlus to introduce further colors along the line too. We may see red and white versions, as with previous generations of OnePlus devices, but so far there's no news on extra shades. The phone feels comfortable to hold, and it's easy enough to grip with dimensions of 157.5 by 74.8 by 8.2 mm. It's not a large device. On the right-hand edge of the phone is a power on button, which is one of your options for waking the device. The other is a double tap on the screen, and above that is the signature OnePlus slider that allows you to mute your phone with a quick flick. This is something you also get on iPhone devices, but not many Android alternatives have it, and it's something we find particularly useful when we want to quickly mute our device. On the left-hand edge of the device is the volume rocker, which is easy to reach. On the bottom of the phone is the USB-C port, flanked by a speaker and microphone. The display is where lots has changed from the OnePlus 6 that was the first OnePlus phone to lose most of its bezel and adopt a notch at the top of the display. It's a similar affair here, but now the notch has been shrunk down to what's referred to as a teardrop design. It takes up relatively little space, meaning there's more screen at the top left and right of the device. The display is a 6.41-inch AMOLED screen, but as the body of the phone isn't as large relative to the screen size, it doesn't feel like a big screen phone when it's in your hand. It's 19:5:9 aspect ratio, so it's a longer screen than on some other phones.